हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल टारगेट जुडिशरी। तो आज हम कवर करने जा रहे हैं PYQs ऑफ ज्यूरिस्प्रूडेंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज विच वन इज द अपोजिट ऑफ ड्यूटी? ए पावर, बी इम्यूनिटी, सी प्रिविलेज, डी नो राइट। द राइट आंसर इज सी प्रिविलेज। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज हु propounded द थ्योरी ऑफ वोल्काजिस्ट? वोल्काजिस्ट की थ्योरी किसने propound की है? ए सामंड, बी पाउंड, सी सवाइने, डी हार्ट। राइट आंसर इज सी सवाइने। Third question is which of the following is jural correlative of power? Option A duty, B liability, C no right, D disability. The right answer is B liability. Question number 4 is who propounded the theory of utilitarianism? Option A Duguit, option B Pollack, C Bentham, D Allen. The right answer is C Bentham. Question number 5 is which theory of punishment is based on tit for tat? Option A retributive theory, option B deterrent theory, C reformative theory, D normative theory. The right answer is A retributive theory. Next question is animus and corpus was introduced by whom in definitions of possession? A Henryman, B Salmon, C Savine, D Holland. The right answer is B Salmon. Question number 7 is which of the following is associated with chronomes in jurisprudence? Option A Pollack, B Kelson, C Kant, D Hegel. The right answer is B Kelson. Next question is who propounded the theory of separation of power? Option A Vinogradov, B St. Augustine, C Aristotle, D Montesquieu. The right answer is D Montesquieu. Question number 9 is Kelson is associated with which theory of law? A pure theory of law, B purposive theory of law, C normative theory of law, and D mixed theory of law. The right answer is A pure theory of law. Question number 10 is according to which of school of jurisprudence law and morals are not mixed together? A analytical, B natural, C sociological, D historical. The right answer is A analytical. Next question is Savine emphasizes the relation between A law and ethics, B law and society, C law and morality, D law and economics. The right answer is A law and ethics. Question number 12 is according to which of the following rights alone be the subject matter of ownership? A. Dicey, B. Austin, C. Salmon, D. Patton. The right answer is C. Salmon. Question number 13 is if the jural correlative of right is duty, then the correlative of liberty is option A power, B disability, C liability, D no claim. The right answer is D no claim. Question number 14 is the statement there is no distinction between public and private law is attributed to option A Duguit, B Austin, C Comte, D Pound. The right answer is A Duguit. Next question is positive law is called positive because it is option A made as a result of divine providence, option B made as a result of collective effort, option C made by a person in authority, option D followed by everybody. The right answer is C made by a person in authority. Question number 16 is hence Kelsen talked about A validity and rigidity of norms, B validity and propriety of norms, C validity and effectiveness of norms, D validity and solidity of norms. The right answer is C validity and effectiveness of norms. Question number 17 is the corpus of law was classified by Austin, which is the odd one out? Option A positive law, B divine law, C positive morality, D law by metaphysics. The right answer is D law by metaphysics. Next question is hierarchy of oughts is traceable to A pure theory of law, B realistic theory of law, C combination of primary and secondary rules, D none of the above. The right answer is A. Pure theory of law. Question number 19 is mark the incorrect option. A. Command by Bentham. B. Norms by Hart. C. Rules by Kelson. D. All of the above. The right answer is D. All of the above. Question number 20 is who among the following called Austin's analytical school as imperative school? Option A. Salmon. B. Allen. C. Holland. D. Gray. The right answer is B. Allen. Next question is the pure theory of law is A. Theory of positive law in general. B. Experimental theory. C. A combination of the moral and philosophy of law. D. All of the above. The right answer is A. A theory of positive law in general. Question number 22 is who propounded the theory that the end of legislation is the greatest happiness of the greatest number? Option A. Jeremy Bentham. B. Karl Marx. C. Socrates. D. Montesquieu. The right answer is A. Jeremy Bentham. Next is Hans Kelsen enjoys the credits of formulating A. Pure theory of law. B. Imperative theory of law. C. Best result theory of law. And D. All of the above. The right answer is A. Pure theory of law. Question number 24 is the school of jurisprudence postulates that the law is based on what is correct. A. Natural law. B. Sociological. C. Analytical. D. Historical. The right answer is A. Natural law. The last question is the basic hypothesis given by Kelsen is A. Volcages. B. Grundnorm. C. Primary obligation. D. Sovereignty. The right answer is B. Grundnorm.